What's going on, guys? In this video, I'll break down the 5 best Wi-Fi adapters in 2022. I've made this list based on maximum data transfer rates, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for something easy to use or the best of the best that can noticeably improve your connection, I'll have the best Wi-Fi adapter for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for a relatively affordable Wi-Fi adapter that won't take up much port space and comes with several similar features to more expensive options, the Linksys WUSB6300 is my choice as the best option for the money in 2022. The Linksys WUSB6300 is an impressive mid-range model that offers an intuitive setup process, built-in multi-user MIMO technology for increased efficiency, and impressive performance at longer ranges. Unlike the more expensive models on this list, it has a relatively compact, slim profile that won't take up much port space, which makes it a perfect choice for laptop users or frequent travelers. Despite the compact design, it has 2 internal antennas and dual-band Wi-Fi technology to provide a faster, more efficient wireless connection than other budget-friendly alternatives like the TP-Link AC600 we'll mention later. You can connect it via a USB 3.0 port for faster data transfers, and it comes with convenient Wi-Fi protected setup support to quickly pair the adapter with almost any AC802.11ac router. Even more, you get WPA TKIP, WPA2, WPS, and WEP security protocol support to help keep your sensitive information private. While it's not the most powerful or fastest adapter on the market, it can deliver dual-band data transfer rates up to 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and up to 867 on the 5 GHz channel to reduce latency and increase download speeds. It comes with a 2x2 multi-user MIMO design to improve your network's efficiency so you can enjoy smoother HD streaming, web browsing, gaming, or video calling, even on busier networks. You also get beamforming technology to keep your network's performance solid over longer distances, which is a feature typically found on more expensive models like the ASUS USB AC68. The Linksys WUSB6300 doesn't offer the top-tier transfer speeds of the ASUS AC68, but it offers impressive overall performance, a space-saving design, and some comparable technology for a lower price. If you're looking for a cost-effective Wi-Fi adapter with some useful features for casual media streaming or gaming, this might be the best option for you. Next up, we have a versatile Wi-Fi adapter that can deliver impressive wireless speeds and perform well in most situations. The Trendnet TEW-809UB is a great all-around option for most people to consider. Trendnet's TEW-809UB adapter is one of the most effective options available for improving your wireless connection. It comes with a comprehensive array of detachable antennas to extend the range, efficient beamforming technology, and impressive performance across the board. It has a larger design that resembles a router more than compact options like the TP-Link AC600, but it comes with stronger internal components to boost your network signal. It comes with 4 5-decibel high-gain external antennas to extend the signal range, and they're adjustable, so you can easily find an optimal position. Like the ASUS USB AC68 we'll mention later, it connects to your computer via USB 3.0 to provide faster transfer speeds, except it also features USB 2.0 share points to connect legacy devices. It also offers versatile compatibility with Windows or Mac OS devices, a WPS button for easy setup, and LED status indicator lights. It utilizes beamforming technology, which emits stronger direct-to-client signals to further improve performance and extend your network's range, but it lacks multi-user MIMO support like the Netgear Nighthawk A7000. Even more, it comes pre-encrypted, so you can easily create an isolated guest network, and it offers in-depth parental controls for households with younger children. The dual-band Wi-Fi 5 wireless speeds are impressive, and it can deliver maximum data transfer rates up to 600 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and 1300 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, which makes it a great option for nearly any online requirement. The Trendnet TEW-809UB is a great option for most people because of its range-enhancing design, versatile connectivity options, beamforming support, and impressive performance with streaming, gaming, and browsing. This is an ideal option if you need an effective adapter that can reliably handle most online tasks without sacrificing speed or range. Some users might be looking for an inexpensive option that can get the job done and reliably strengthen your Wi-Fi connection. The TP-Link AC600 is my choice as the best budget Wi-Fi adapter in 2022. TP-Link has several solid network accessories to choose from, and their AC600 Wi-Fi adapter is an affordable model that provides plug-and-play functionality, dual-band technology, and extended network coverage for less than $20. It has a minimalist, compact design that plugs into your computer through a USB 2.0 port, and you get an adjustable 5-decibel high-gain antenna to improve signal reception, transmission, strength, and coverage over larger areas. I like that it offers easy software installation and plug-and-play functionality, which makes it ideal for inexperienced users, and it's compatible with iOS and Windows-based systems for greater versatility. Even more, it comes with some useful built-in security protocols, including WPA and WPA2 encryption standards to keep your network and personal information safe from potential threats. It features solid dual-band Wi-Fi technology to support most modern routers and improve your network's efficiency, along with 256 QAM support to increase the 2.4 GHz channel's data transfer rate. Unfortunately, it lacks the top-end speed of higher-end options like the ASUS USB AC68, but it can produce Wi-Fi speeds up to 200 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and up to 433 megabits per second on the 5 GHz channel, which should be enough for basic media streaming, browsing, and casual gaming. While it doesn't come with the sophisticated technology and lightning-fast speeds of the Netgear Nighthawk A7000, the TP-Link AC600 is a solid option that's ideal for most basic everyday uses, and it comes with all the essential features to improve your wireless connection. If you're looking for an inexpensive Wi-Fi adapter that can get the job done and reliably stream HD content, browse the web, and handle less intense online gameplay, this might be your best option. For anyone who wants a high-quality adapter that can provide a strong, low-latency wireless signal that's perfect for competitive gameplay, the ASUS USB AC68 is my choice as the best option for online gaming in 2022. With its speedy, lag-free wireless connections, impressive range of coverage, flexible design, and sophisticated network technology, the ASUS USB AC68 is an ideal option for any gamer who wants to gain a competitive edge. It has a unique design that shouldn't look out of place in most gaming setups, and while it's much larger than more compact alternatives like the Linksys USB 6300 we mentioned earlier, it has two 3-position external antenna and 2 internal receivers to strengthen your signal. Unlike the cheaper options on this list, it connects through USB 3.0 for faster data transfer speeds, or you can connect it with the included docking cradle to free up some port space and improve placement flexibility. The setup process is quick and painless, and the included software is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS devices. The dual-band Wi-Fi technology helps deliver extended network coverage and higher throughput with bandwidth-intensive tasks. It offers data transfer rates up to 600 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and an outstanding 1300 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, which delivers fast download speeds and a responsive, lag-free connection that's ideal for competitive online gaming. It also comes with AI radar beamforming to ensure extended coverage, dynamic data speed increases, and increased network stability, along with 3x4 MIMO support to deliver a more efficient connection. It also supports all current encryption standards, so you can be sure your important information and browsing activity remain private. The ASUS USB AC68 is the best Wi-Fi adapter for online gaming because of its efficiency-enhancing beamforming technology, modern connectivity for faster speeds, and superior data transfer rates to cheaper models like the TEW-809UB. This is an ideal option if you play competitive online games and want a low-latency connection to improve your in-game performance. If you're looking for the Wi-Fi adapter that offers the best blend of signal coverage, data transfer speeds, and versatile connectivity, the Netgear Nighthawk A7000 is my choice as the best overall option in 2022. The Netgear Nighthawk A7000 isn't the newest option on the market, but it comes with dual-band Wi-Fi technology and outstanding all-around performance to suit almost any browsing, streaming, or gaming requirement. The main body is relatively large and might be difficult to fit into tighter spaces, but it features 4 adjustable internal antennae to boost your signal strength and network's range. Like the previously mentioned ASUS USB AC68, it comes with a magnetic docking cradle for greater placement flexibility with desktop setups, and you also get a convenient vertical dock for laptops. It connects through USB 3.0 to provide a more stable connection and offers backwards compatibility with USB 2.0 ports, although with reduced data transfer rates. Even more, it offers near universal compatibility with modern routers and works with Mac OS or Windows devices. While it doesn't support the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard, you get dual-band technology that can reliably boost your signal and beamforming capabilities to deliver a faster, more stable wireless connection. It can deliver AC1900 speeds of up to 600 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz channel and up to 1300 megabits per second on the 5 GHz channel, which should be enough to stream HD video, browse the web, and game competitively without experiencing rubber banding. Unlike the Trendnet TEW-809UB, it also has a 3x4 multi-user MIMO design that can help further reduce lag times and improve your network's efficiency. The Netgear Genie app is another solid addition, and it allows you to intuitively set up and control your network. The Netgear Nighthawk A7000 is the best overall Wi-Fi adapter because of its premium build, modern connectivity options, near universal compatibility, and better overall performance than the other options on this list. If you don't mind spending a bit more and want a Wi-Fi adapter that can boost your signal enough for intense online gaming or 4K media streaming, this might be your best option available. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.